Hey, Master. I am math scientist. It's so cool. Son of a bitch. はい。何ですか？日本語で OK か。
No one knows what the future holds. That's why its potential is infinite. By Okabe Rintaro from Steins Gate. Such a powerful quote from an anime, at least just as powerful. It's one of the many wise quotes featured in an excellent time travel tale called Steins Gate. It is a story praised by many, and I think the show is definitely worthy of all its praise. It's an excellent piece of work. Steins Gate is, in essence, a unique anime. There's not a single show that I found to be comparable to Steins Gate. But why does everyone think Steins Gate as such a masterpiece? So in today's video, we are going to review Steins Gate. And after watching this video completely, you can decide if you wanna watch Steins Gate or not. In this video, we are going to talk about different things like story, art, characters, enjoyment, and all sort of things specifically. So without any further ado, let's dive into the review of Steins Gate, one of the most legendary anime. So first, let's talk about the story. I would give 10 out of 10 for the story. Steins Gate is about Okabe Rintaro, a mad scientist who spends his time hanging out in his laboratory with his friends Mayuri and Daru. Occasionally, they manage to invent futuristic gadgets, though these are never worth mentioning. The first few episodes may turn you down as it seems like your general slice of life comedy anime. However, when their most interesting invention, the phone microwave, turns out to be able to send text messages through time, everything changes. The text messages sent to the past have a huge impact on the present. It is called as butterfly effect, where you will change a very small thing into the past and it is going to change a huge thing in the future. When able to send text messages through time, Okabe in a horrifying way finds out that an evil organization called SCRN and their ways, he is forced to use time travel methods to prevent them from getting captured and stop their plans. This thing occurs around episode 9. So till that point you will feel like it is a really slow and boring anime. But trust me, you should not drop that anime just by watching first few episodes because you are gonna regret it and you are gonna miss on a lot of things in this anime. Around episode 9 is where the amazing sci-fi thriller fires up its engines and puts the viewers on the edge of their seat. What follows is the fascinating, somehow complex plot, which manages to blow your mind each episode. Steins Gate is not your generic time travel show. The plot is executed perfectly. Hardly before I have ever encountered such a well thought plot as which is featured in Steins Gate. The show features several jumps in time, but still manages to keep the viewer's attention without confusing them. The pace present in Steins Gate is not lacking either. In fact, from episode 9 onwards, the show holds a perfect pace. Piece by piece, the mystery of the events that happens unveiled, working towards a fantastic, satisfying ending, which I very rarely, especially for a show with such a complex plot, did not expect it. And I'm gonna tell you, it is one of the best endings I have ever seen in my entire life. The plot and twist of Steins Gate is pretty much a piece of art. If we will talk about the art, I will give it 8 out of 10 because this is the field where Steins Gate lacks the most. Steins Gate isn't a show with a huge budget and therefore it is to be expected that the art isn't jaw-dropping. However, this doesn't mean that art is bad or that the drawing style is unbearable. In fact, the goal of the art is to portray the atmosphere as well as possible, and it does. The art style simply has a way more realistic feel to it than your generic animes. If we will talk about the sound, I would give 8 out of 10 for the sound. Amazing voice acting, nice openings and amazing endings too, and a decent background music. There were quite some moments where I think there could have been much better use of background music, which is why I missed out on a perfect score here. Nonetheless, very solid sound overall. I especially like the voice actor of the Okabe Rintaro and Makise Kurisu. If we will talk about the characters, I mean, what can I say? The characterizations in this is one of the most fantastic I have ever seen. The characters are written in such a way that you are bound to like them. They all have their own likable and recognizable traits, which are perfectly described from the start. Makise Kurisu, the tsundere of the anime, Daru the nerd, Mayuri the childish girl, and so on. I found myself having a weak spot for the Kurisu in no time. And the character development in this anime is one of the most fantastic I have ever seen. All character develops equally and sometimes even each character have their 1 or 2 episodes just dedicated to them for their necessary character developments. Our main character Okabe, you will find him changing in character over the course of episodes due to the event that unfolds. But this is all for the better. This development is again done exceptionally well. The development has a very realistic feeling to it, which makes the story as a whole even more compelling. And at the end, if we will talk about the enjoyment of the series, I don't even have words actually. Steins Gate is one of the few shows that manages to score 10 out of 10 for the enjoyment for me. Like most people, I found Steins Gate hard to get into, as first few episodes doesn't really cover much around, and I thought I should drop the series, but I am glad that I didn't drop the series because it would have turned a huge loss for me. However, once the engine got running, I was hooked. I couldn't refrain myself from watching the episodes one after another, slowly crawling to the awesomeness ending ahead. I think most people would, as a plot is set up in such a way to keep you hooked each episode. If you are a fan of sci-fi thriller anime, then you will surely enjoy this anime. And if you are not a fan of sci-fi thriller anime, but still you will enjoy this anime. Steins Gate is an anime that is very likely to keep you hooked. So go ahead, just don't worry about anything and start this anime. In fact, after completing this anime, you might want to go back in time to watch it again. So that was a small video about the review of the Steins Gate. If you haven't watched Steins Gate, what are you guys even doing in your life? You should watch it right now. And if you have already watched the Steins Gate, then leave a comment down below and tell me which is your favorite character from the Steins Gate series. And most of the people are not still aware about that after the Steins Gate there was a series called as Steins Gate Zero, and also a Steins Gate movie where he suffers from the deja vu because of the timeline shifts he did in the first series. So if you haven't watched that movie and that Steins Gate Zero series 2, then you should watch that too. Both are exceptional and as amazing as the Steins Gate original. And yeah, that was for the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.